I am a strong believer that we all have superpowers that are waiting to be awakened. Every one of us has something special. We need to find it inside of us. Ladies and gentlemen, you and I are not very different from this bottle. Just like this bottle is unique, you all are unique. Sometimes we think whatever we have is fixed. Our intelligence level is fixed. Our personality is fixed. Our health is fixed, but it's completely not true. Right now it is filled with water. The cost is 10 rupees. And if it was filled with petrol, the cost would be thrice. And the cost would be 5 times if it was filled with pure honey. It is still the same from the outside, but the thing which has been changed is the content inside of it. So my dear friends, from which side do we have to be changed? Inside or outside? We need to work on our mindset. We need to work on our knowledge, on our perception, and we need a growth mindset.